What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us. And today we are going to review recently released, much awaited Vincenzo, an 8 year adoptee who went to Italy at the age of 8 years old and was adopted by an Italian family. Unfortunately, what happens, the real son of that person didn't like Vincenzo, whereas Vincenzo was the right hand of that uh, leader of that Italian mafia. And at the beginning of the series, you could see that Vincenzo completes his job even at the end of the client's moment, means his father was dead and he has some leftover business for him, and he was remarkable and he completed that job, thus giving a final farewell to his real son and advising him not to follow him. So now he comes back to South Korea. No matter wherever you are, whatever you do, even you spend your whole life abroad, once you come back to your own soil, you are not being accepted by the people because you are still an outsider. Whatever you are, it doesn't matter. The most important thing is the people over there, they have their own rules, whereas when Sanzo came from Italy, their groups have rules, but in Korea, each and every official, they have their own rules and they play with it and they will beat you with an experience. That's what a lawyer, Hong's daughter, told him. So now Vincenzo is here with the project because he doesn't travel anywhere without any cause. So here his cause was the hidden treasure in a building, and that building had an eye on it by another group, a Bubble group. So that Bubble pharmaceutical group, they wanted to get this building, and there is a savior who wanted to save these people because he was a public defender. Its name is lawyer Hong, and whereas his daughter standing right opposite to him in another legal firm who is backing Bubble Group. And the group over there, you have to witness it. I think they have a very huge casting in Wusang legal firm, and all those characters over there, they will play a very vital role in the upcoming episodes. But moreover, you have to keep an eye on prosecutor Chui, because she was invited in that legal firm, and you will see that how she will play a good character, because I feel like she is there with the cause. And moreover, in this building there are actors living, there are monks living, there is an Italian restaurant owner who is living. So he wanted to see each and every individual deeply, to study them, that what their characters are and how he can grab them in his hand. But it is not getting easy for Vincenzo because he has a lot of mess to handle, and whereas he is not welcomed by all over there because he is still an outsider. As he landed there, he has a tough time from the people, because even the authorities, they are eyeing on him that what is his vision to be here, why he could not do anything on another foreign soil, why he has picked up this area. So now things are getting messy because there is not even one challenge, there are different challenges. So who will take this building? It's a very important thing. So the common thing between Vincenzo and that public defender, Mr. Hong, that they wanted to think about the people. They, no matter he is thinking about his greed, whatever his vision is there, but he thinks about the people as well. So that's the common thing that joined them, both of them there. But Bubble Group is there sending their drones to evacuate the place. But sometimes it happens that you have to use your a hard muscles, strong muscles to get things done, but sometimes it is good to use your common sense. And it's a very good saying in another culture, like don't spoil your poison when you can achieve by giving sugar to someone. So see how Vincenzo will get rid of this situation, and in the upcoming days I think the situation will be very chaotic. And overall my favorite characters I feel like here is a what her name is, Prosecutor Chui, because according to the background that they have created during these two episodes, they wanted to highlight the public defender Mr. Hong and his daughter, and the Wusong legal firm. And Vincenzo is already there, not even one challenge. He also have a challenge from tenants as well, because all these tenants looks like, do they know what is hidden in this building? It sounds sometimes fishy, because they were like, they know, that's why they are there. If they didn't know, why they are not moving, or why they didn't get huge sum and move somewhere else. And another character that early in the episode was shown, the woman who was helpless, and she didn't uh, feel comfortable the justice that was served to her. So overall all these episodes and all these chapters will come in a will be unfolded, and you will see a lot of good things. And I hope you will enjoy it. It's good to see him after a long time, and overall it's like a dark comedy or suspense thriller. There are many things that has to be shown about Vincenzo. I hope you will like it. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. And if let's see, every Saturday Sunday have to see what happens now. Maybe it will have 12 or 16 episodes or something like this. And hope you are enjoying it. So have a great week ahead. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.